Hi everyone, welcome. Today we will solve primary level science. We will cover physics, biology, EVS and teaching strategies step by step so you can understand the concepts clearly and remember them easily. So grab your notebook, stay focused and let's get started. A boy moves on a circular path of radius 7 cm with uniform speed. He takes 10 seconds to complete one rotation. What is his displacement after 5 seconds? The given terms are radius 7 cm, time period 10 seconds, and also the time 5 seconds. In 10 seconds, boy complete 360 degree. In 5 seconds, half of it. So, we will get it as 180 degree. So, after 5 seconds, he completed half of the circle. So, the displacement is from start to the end of the path. So, it is nothing but the diameter of the circle. So we know that radius is 7 cm. So the diameter is 2 times radius. We can calculate it as 2 into 7, that is 14 cm. Second question. A stone of mass 2 kg is moving with uniform velocity of 10 meter per second. An iron ball of mass 1 kg is moving with a velocity of 40 meter per second. Which of the following statement is true? So for this you have to compare the momentum. You know that the formula of the momentum P is equal to product of mass and velocity. First calculate for stone. The mass is 2 kg and the velocity is 10 meter per second. So we get momentum as 20 kg meter per second. Similarly, calculate for iron ball. So you will get 1 into 40, that is 40 kg meter per second. So the iron ball has 40 kg meter per second as momentum. So the answer is iron ball has more momentum. Next one. A ball is thrown vertically upward. The acceleration due to gravity of it. So the answer is it remains constant. Why? The gravity is uniform and it is approximately 9.8 meter per second square, always acting downward. So the answer remains constant. Next one. A force of 10 Newton acts on a body of mass 10 kg from east to west. Another force of 5 Newton acts on the same body from west to east simultaneously. Then, body move toward which direction with which acceleration? So the 10 Newton east to west and 5 Newton west to east, and mass is 10 kg. So the net force here is 10 minus 5, that is 5 Newton, that is towards west. So we can calculate acceleration from Newton's second law, F is equal to ma. So we want to calculate A. So A is equal to F divided by m. So 5 by 10. So we will get 0.5 meter per second square. So the direction is west and acceleration 0.5 meter per second square. Next question. When a ray of light travels from air through glass slab, it changes its direction because the light bends when moving between media of different densities. So the density of air is less than density of glass slab. So the option is 3. Density of air is less than density of glass slab. Unit of resistance is, the unit of the resistance is ohm. So what about the other units? The volt is the unit of voltage, ampere is the unit of current, and coulomb is unit of charge. So the unit of the resistance is ohms. An image of height 45 cm is formed when an object of height 15 cm is placed in front of a concave mirror. magnification of image is. So how to calculate? Here the image height is 45 centimeter and the object height is 15 centimeter. So the magnification formula is image height divided by object height. So by calculating you will get 3. So the option 3 is correct 3 times. Which eye defect is corrected by using bifocal lens? The answer is presbyopia. The presbyopia is age-related difficulty in seeing near objects. So the answer is presbyopia. So consider the other options. Myopia, it is nearsightedness. Hypermetropia, farsightedness. Astigmatism, irregular cornea shape. Next one, scientists stated 10% law. The answer is Lindemann. Reason, only 10% of energy is transferred to the next tropic level. So the answer is Lindemann. Next question, grass, A, frog, snake. So you have to find the food chain A represents. So the grass is eaten by grasshopper. So the answer 2 is correct. pH value of acid rain. Normal rain is around 5.6. Acid rain is less than 5.6. So the answer is below 5.6. Consider the other options like 6.6, that is slightly acidic, and 7.6 alkaline, and 5.6 not acidic enough. So the acid rain is below 5.6. Which is not an example for ex situ or conservation? Answer is wildlife sanctuaries. In situ conservation means natural habitat. Botanical garden, gene bank, pollen bank are ex situ. So the answer is wildlife sanctuaries because that is not ex situ conservation. Ratio of hydrogen and oxygen in each molecule of carbohydrate is. Consider the formula CnH2nOn. So hydrogen and oxygen are in the ratio 2:1. COVID-19 pandemic situation has affected Mohan from osteoporosis. When he consulted a doctor, was advised to take sunbath every day. The deficiency from which he is suffering from. The option is vitamin D. Next one. Coastal region people usually do not suffer from gout because this mineral is rich in their food. So the seafood rich in iodine. So the answer is iodine. The mineral deficiency that affects the bone development is calcium. So it is essential for strong bones. Identify the structure of plant cell which is non-living from the given list. Cell wall. The reason is made of cellulose, non-living. Mahesh observed nerve cell under the microscope and made the sketch. The mistake in his drawing is cyton with cilia. Reason, the neurons do not have cilia on cyton. The epithelium shown in the given diagram is found in small intestine. The other options: esophagus, stratified squamous, kidney tubulars, cuboidal, salivary glands, cuboidal or columnar but exocrine. Who suggested the new cell arise through cell division of pre-existing cells? Option 1. Virchow. Which part of the solar cooker is responsible for greenhouse effect? Option 3. Glass sheet. Reason: earth is transparent, which allows sunlight in, traps heat inside. The use of waste generated in biogas production is manure. Option 2. Other option: fuel, biogas itself, food for livestock, not primary, reused for generating biogas, unnecessary. Petroplants was recognized first by Slack and Hatch. Recognized high efficiency oil producing plants. The power generated in windmill depends on wind velocity. Environmental studies curriculum at lower classes may lead to holistic learning by children for the option 4. All of the above. Integrated thematic inclusive curriculum helps children connect multiple subjects. In the context of EVS in primary class, learning without burden represents reduce school bag weight. List A contains pedagogy and List B contains topics related to EVS. So here, which option is correct? Visit for learning is local historical monuments. Experimental method is properties of matter. Group discussion is circus cruel to animals. Project method, disposal and segregation of waste. Observation method, external features of words. So the option 1 is correct. Next one. Nature has everything for man's needs but not for his greed. The value behind this statement is human should not use environment according to his wish, since he is also a unit. So the option 3 is correct. Next one. A teacher while teaching EVS can create good learning environment for his children by using mixed curriculum transaction strategy. Reason: it combines projects, discussions, experiments, observations. Answer 1 is correct. Next one. The purpose of studying EVS at primary level: develop holistic or integrated perspective. So answer 2 is correct. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this fully solved question paper helped you understand each concept clearly. If you found it useful, like, share and subscribe for more lessons and revision tips. Remember, consistent practice and understanding concepts is the key to success.